Hello everyone. The context of this video is all about from the chapter 17, the toolbox meeting. Toolbox meetings in the construction industry are super important. They're like quick team handles before work starts. Here's the lowdown in simple terms. First off, safety rules that always the biggie. Toolbox meeting remind everyone of safety rules and gear, like hard hats and goggles. We talk about risks on the job site, like falling or getting hurt by tools. Then, we brainstorm ways to stay safe and what to do in emergencies. Communication is key. Toolbox meeting keeps everyone on the same page. We chat about what tasks are on the agenda for day and who's doing what. It helps us coordinate and avoid confusion. Also, feedback matters. Works can share ideas or concerns during these meetings, making them feel heard and valued. Plus, it's a chance to learn from each other's experiences and improve how we work together. In a nutshell, toolbox meetings are all about safety, teamwork, and improving how we do our jobs.